Hey there, new homeowners. You have just got the keys, and you want the best feng shui, right? Most clients come to us with two key requests. The first one is to attract more helpful people or mentors into their lives. We all need a helping hand when times get tough, right? To set the stage, we need to look at the outside. Check the back of your unit. If there are supportive structures, your unit is ready for helpful people. If not, it might invite petty people. Oh no! The second request is all about inviting opportunities. We don't want to feel stuck in life, do we? Look at the frontage of your unit. If it is blocked, opportunities are blocked. But if it is open, it is a different story. Now, here is the key point. We can't change the outside, but we can work wonders on the inside. And the last thing we want to do is two things. Number one, we don't want to unintentionally place items that amplify the negative energies. That's like placing a time bomb. Number two, we don't want to block opportunities that are knocking at our door. So, remember, it is all about playing down the weaknesses and playing up the strengths. And if you want to discover the top 5 feng shui mistakes to avoid during renovation, comment Reno now. Follow for more feng shui fun.